guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we're going to be having slow cook for dinner. So I've got my chicken thighs, my carrots, cabbage, potatoes for my flavour country chicken casserole slow cook. Slow cook classic honey and soya chicken. Also my ox chicken and my mixed herbs. So first I'm going to put my flavours into my slow cook. I have mixed all the flavours together, and I've also put in 2 cups of hot water as well. And now I am going to cut up the cabbage, the carrots and my potatoes and put them into my slow cook. So there we go. My potatoes are all cut up nicely, my carrots and my cabbage. Now I'm just going to put my chicken in. Chicken. There we go. So I'll just add a bit of water, turn it on to high, and then it will be cooked between 5 and 6 o'clock tonight. Please subscribe and thumbs up. So the time is 6 o'clock and my slow cook is ready. So I've got the juice in a cup. I've made some toast. And so what we're going to do is just get the toast, put it into the cup, and then eat it.